Hi friends, this is Tony and I would like to welcome you to my channel. Today we are making brownie waffle ice cream sandwiches. These brownie ice cream sandwiches are dangerously delicious. You're going to love how fun, quick, and easy they are to make. We're going to start off with a box of brownie mix. This is sugar-free. Of course, you can use whatever brand or kind you want, but this is the kind I like to use. Go ahead and pour it in the bowl. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of water, a 1/3 cup of oil, the recipe called for 1 egg. We're going to use 2. Add your eggs to the mix. You're going to mix it up. Make sure you reach all the way down to the bottom and mix it well, because some of the dry ingredients get stuck down at the bottom. Okay, so this is the consistency it needs to be. So I've already preheated the waffle iron. I'm going to spray it with some cooking oil. So that it won't stick. I transferred the brownie mix into a large cup so that I can pour it easily. Start in the middle. I'm going to spread it out just a little. And before we close it, we're going to let it settle just for about 20 seconds. Now, you can go ahead and close it. Perfect. You can go ahead and pop that in the freezer so that it can get hard. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes and the brownies have cooled down in the freezer. So they are a little stiff now. But as you can see, you can easily break them in half. So now we can make our ice cream sandwiches. We're just going to take some regular vanilla ice cream. Make sure that it is a little soft so that you can easily mash it down into a sandwich. You can make it as thin or as thick as you like. And then use another brownie to smash it down. I'm using sprinkles, but these are fun with chocolate chips, nuts, or whatever strikes your fancy. These brownie ice cream sandwiches can be made ahead of time, which makes them perfect for summer parties or barbecue desserts. You can also switch out flavors. Go ahead and pop it in the freezer. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the red button and subscribe.